Hey guys, welcome to another video of Rock Yum. Today we're gonna do a ombre nail with clear tip with some star and moon encapsulated. Hope you like the video. Let's do this. First step, let's file the nail.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around it.
Second, let's apply the clear tip nail. Putting the glue on the tip. Dip the clear tip in a liquid, the monomer a little bit, and apply it with glue. That way it's melt and seal. If you don't, guess what's gonna happen? It's not gonna seal, it's gonna like slippery.
Turn it up and sing along. We all work till the daylight's gone. We all knock off the edge around 5. Fall in love from a kiss on Friday night. And
Next, we cut the tip.
now you know.
Stand still, everything's fine. It's like the universe aligns. Pinch me, is this for real? I gotta know. It's like we made our own paradise. Travel like a million miles just to get here. It's like we finally made it. Suddenly the world stands still, and it feels.
Next, primer. Okay, now let's apply acrylic to the nail bed. Remember, since we're doing the blue ombre, we're just gonna put it out the nail bed only and flash it and pat it down so that it does not lift. Okay, remember, you gotta pat it down a little bit. If not, it's gonna lift.
Let it happen, let it happen. Just let it happen, let it happen. Let it happen, let it happen. Just let it happen, let it happen. Let it happen, let it happen. Just let it happen, let it happen. Let it happen, let it happen. Just let it happen, let it happen. Let it happen, let it happen. Just let it happen, let it happen.
Next, we're gonna brush the liquid on the nail bed and the tip, and then pick the star one by one before we encapsulate it.
I wanna raise your spirits. I want to see you smile. But no, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking. I want you to be happier. I want you to be happy. I wanna raise your spirits. I want to see you smile. But no, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately, I've been thinking. I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. I wanna raise your spirits. I want to see you smile. But no, that means I'll have to leave.
Next, we're gonna apply the acrylic to seal the star. This will give you the ombre effect also, and it make the tip clear.
Take it easy, yeah. Make yourself right at home. And never leave me, yeah. You don't have to view alone, yeah. Take it easy, yeah. take it easy. Yeah, make yourself right at home. And never leave me. Yeah.
Next, let's shape it up.
At first, when I see you cry, it makes me smile. Yeah, it makes me smile. At worst, I feel bad for a while, but then I just smile. I go ahead and smile. At first, when I see you cry, it makes me smile. Yeah, it makes me smile. At worst, I feel bad for a while, but then I just smile. I go ahead and smile. At first, when I see you cry, it makes me smile. Yeah, it makes me smile. At worst, I feel bad for a while, but then I just smile. I go ahead and smile. At first, when I see you cry, it makes me smile. Yeah, it makes me smile. At worst, I feel bad for a while, but then I just smile.
Next, we're gonna clean under the nail.
Every day's a holiday when you're living inside your dreams. What would that
Next, we're gonna clean or drill. We're gonna first start by drilling around the cuticle to make it clean and flush with your cuticle. And we're just gonna drill the whole thing.
I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know everything that's shining always gonna be gold. I'll be fine once I get it. I'll be good. I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know everything that's shining always gonna be gold. I'll be fine once I get it. I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know everything that's shining always gonna be gold. I'll be fine once I get it.
Next, we're gonna use the sandpaper to try to smooth it out more, so that way it looks cleaner, fresher, and smoother.
No one can stop me when I taste that feeling. Nothing could ever bring me down. So no one can stop me when I taste that feeling. Nothing could ever bring me down. No one can stop me when I taste that feeling. Nothing could ever bring me down. So no one can stop me when I taste that feeling. Nothing could ever bring me down. No one can stop me when I taste that feeling. Nothing could ever bring me down. So no one.
All right, let's buff it.
Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed around. Yeah, it was a good day. Not much to do but just stay around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad the sun stayed around. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm so glad this.
All right, let's put the top coat gel on to call it a day.
I'm on top of the world, I'm on top of the world, waiting on this for a while now, paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to slide, been holding it in for a while,
Thank you and subscribe.